Okay, look at this SAT question. They said in the XY plane above, line L is parallel to line K. And I ask, what is the value of P? So when they say they are parallel, meaning they have the same slope but different y-intercept. So what we can do is we can just easily label this to be, let's label line L, which is XY, Y1, S2, Y2. So, and for the case line, we have x1, y1, and s2, y2. So we all know that y2 minus y1 over s2 minus x1, okay, is equals to the second one, which is y2 minus y1 over s2 minus x1. So let's talk about line L first. So what is our y2? y2 is 2 minus y1, which is 0, over s2 is 0, minus s1, which is -5. Then equals, or we come to line K. Line K here, we have our y2 to be 0 and y to be minus -4. Then we now have x2 to be p minus 0. So let's just simplify this. So we have 2 over negative times negative here is going to give you positive 5 equals negative 0 minus minus 4 is going to give you plus 4 p. So the next thing you need to do is you just cross multiply, where I have 2p equals 5 times 4 is 20. So divide both sides by 2, p equals 10. So our answer is D.